Hello friends, we have already started to learn the topic biogenesis. In this biogenesis, we have in last lecture we have seen the shikimic acid pathway. In this shikimic acid pathway, I will write down shikimic acid pathway. In that we have seen that there are three very important aromatic amino acids. Out of that, one is phenylalanine, then tryptophan and tyrosine. The synthesis of that one we have already learned. Using this shikimic acid pathway, now we have to synthesize some flavonoid or stilbene type of compounds. Okay, so how to synthesize it we will see from the shikimic acid. Okay, so our today's topic is I will say the biosynthesis. Okay, the biosynthesis of flavonoids. Okay, so obviously why biosynthesis? Because this synthesis will occur in natural way in the human body, okay, or in plants actually, not in human body. This synthesis occur in the plants. Okay, so that's why we used to say this is the biosynthesis. Okay, for that we have to start from the shikimic acid. Okay, hope you remember this one. This is the structure of this shikimic acid. From that shikimic acid we have prepared the phenylalanine, and from that phenylalanine we have to synthesize now flavonoid type of compounds. So we have taken shikimic acid, it react with the ATP, which is adenosine triphosphate, and we have prepared this 3-phosphate shikimic acid type of compound. Then this 3-phosphate we have reacted with phosphoenol pyruvate. Okay, this is the structure of phosphoenol pyruvate, and you will get this kind of intermediate. Okay, this intermediate there will be hydrogen shifts and removal of this phosphate group will occur, and there will be formation of chorismic acid or chorismic acid. There will be formation of chorismic acid. Again in chorismic acid you will see here this CH2 will attack here, and there will be reshuffle, and there will be formation of prephenic acid. Okay, and this from this prephenic acid we have synthesized the phenylpyruvic acid. So there will be a removal of CO2 and H2O. There will be formation of this phenylpyruvic acid, and from this phenylpyruvic acid we can able to prepare this phenylalanine type of compound. Okay, so in short we will write accordingly, which is we have taken shikimic acid. Okay, then from that we have prepared this chorismic acid. Again from this chorismic acid we have prepared prephenic acid. Okay, and from this prephenic acid we have prepared this phenylalanine. Okay, our starting material for this flavonoid we can say. Okay, so I will write down in my way. So the structure of phenylalanine, NH2 and COH, both group will be there. Okay, so this is the structure of phenylalanine. Then now we have to start towards the flavonoid. Okay, how we have to start? Yes, we have to use the enzyme which is lyase enzyme. Okay, and there will be a removal of ammonia. So this bond will go here and it will go out. It means that there will be a formation of double bond. What will remain? COOH. One hydrogen here, another hydrogen here, and hope this compound is familiar to us. Okay, the name of this compound is cinnamic acid. Okay, again from this cinnamic acid, in presence of cinnamate 4 hydroxylase, cinnamate 4 hydroxylase, these all are the name of enzymes, and enzyme itself indicates that in 4 position we have to add hydroxy group. Okay, so the structure of this adduct will be 4 hydroxy and then COH like this. Okay, so this is cinnamic or 4 hydroxy cinnamic acid, we can say. Okay, no need to write down the name. Okay, this will react with coenzyme A, and there will be a formation of again this compound I will write down in my way. Yes, suppose this side OH group, then here double bond, then CO rather than COH, now CO, and instead of this OH there will be a replacement of COAS group. Okay, so name of this compound I will write down directly, hydroxy cinnamoyl COA. Okay, so again this will be the starting material for us. Okay, using this, actually if we have to go towards this flavonoids having 15 carbon atoms, 15 carbon. Okay, and this 15 carbon we can divide into C6 plus C9 group. Okay, it means that there will be C6 group and C9 group. So this C9 group you will get it from shikimic acid. Okay, and this C6 group you will get it from our malonyl coenzyme initially, which we have prepared it. Okay, so we will try to correlate each other. So there will be a 3 into malonyl coenzyme. This why 3 is there, I have already told you, this is Paul Dewey book. Okay, so whatever I am writing is from that book only. Okay, and then there will be formation of this adduct. I will try to write down OH, then this bond, this double bond, then here, then ketone, then single bond, then another ketone, or better I will write down this ring, Okay, then ketone and SCOA. Okay, so this is all about the malonyl coenzyme. So there will be a interaction. So the same compound we can write down in a reshuffle way. Okay, how or I will write down in new page. Okay, the same compound. See here, yes, this double bond, or better I will write down for reference here, otherwise it's very difficult for me also to remember and write down. Okay, so double bond here, then after double bond there will be a ketone group, then alternate another ketone group, then again alternate one ketone group, and then alternate last ketone with SCOA. Okay, so same compound I have written on this way, because here what we have to do is, this is like Claisen type of reaction. Claisen reaction, aldol reaction, hope you remember that one. Okay, and from that we will get this chalcone synthesis. Chalcone synthase enzyme we have to use it. How it will form there? See here. So this bond, this ring will remain as such, then this double bond, then alpha beta unsaturation. This is chalcone. Okay, and here another formation of ring. Okay, and this group will OH convert in OH, and this group also convert in OH form. What about here? Here will be also another OH. Okay, so it seems very difficult or very simple. So if you understand these two, this alpha hydrogens and react with this one. Okay, so there will be ring formation in this carbon, and after ring formation you will get, after this Claisen reaction you will get this product. Okay, or we can say this is chalcone intermediate, and very important intermediate is there. Okay, so which is alpha beta unsaturation intermediate. From that we can prepare Michael type nucleophilic attack of OH. Michael type philic attack of OH on, कुठे असेल, अल्फा बीटा unsaturated ketone. Alpha beta unsaturated ketone. So there will be a formation of flavone type of compound. Okay, so I will write down this ring, flavone ring, OH, then yes, here is the formation. Okay, and this ring as such. Okay, and the name of this compound, which is a flavanone. Okay, or another name of this one is naringenin. Naringenin. Okay, so this is the name. Actually, we have to keep in mind how to prepare this flavanone from shikimic acid. Okay, but in this book, from this flavanone also they have prepared so many compounds. At least I will give out of these 6-7 compounds, at least 2 compounds which I feel very simple. Okay, after some steps of oxidation. Okay, you know now in natural product how to carry out the oxidation. Okay, so after oxidation there will be addition of some OH group. So I will write down first compound, then we will see. So this is basic structure of flavanone. Double bond, this double bond, this double bond. Okay, then this OH. So in first oxidation there will be addition of this OH. Okay, and in second step in oxidation there will be addition of this OH. Okay, and then there will be reduction also, or Na. You know how to carry out this reduction and what is the long form of this NADPH also. Okay, and see here. So what is our target molecule? Not our target molecule, which is not in our syllabus also. Sorry, this oxygen group we have to devanish. Okay, and other stuff we will write down as such. Okay, this OH, this OH. So this oxygen group will devanish. Okay, and there will be formation of catechin. There will be formation of catechin. Even this intermediate having some name, which is taxipholin. So we will summarize something. I will say that what we have taken is, directly we have taken this phenylalanine initially. From this phenylalanine, using only lyase, we have prepared cinnamic acid. From this cinnamic acid we have prepared this 4-hydroxycinnamic acid. From this 4-hydroxycinnamic acid we have prepared 4-hydroxycinnamoyl coenzyme. Okay, because we have to convert this up to 9th carbon. That was our target. Okay, so that's why this 3 is maybe 3 carbon containing compound like that. Okay, and then we have added in both, and we have prepared this chalcone or chalcone intermediate. From this we have prepared this chalcone intermediate. Okay, and after Michael addition there will be a ring formation. Okay, and we have got this flavanone type of compound. The other name of that one is naringenin. Okay, naringenin. After oxidation of this naringenin there will be addition of these 2 OH groups. Okay, is called as taxipholin, and after reduction there will be a ketone group converted into this CH2, and we will get this catechin type of compound. Okay, hope you understand very well the point, which is flavonoids in shikimic acid pathway. So from shikimic acid to catechin, it seems very long mechanism, but once you understand this mechanism, no need to worry about it, okay, because the same type of mechanism we are using for the many processes, okay. So thank you and see you in the next lecture.